you running? Why are you running?
Oh, yo, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the 2008 Toyota VOXY. Now this car is a beautiful car, just the way it looks. You can see. We're going to be reviewing it. We're going to see all the features, all the small compartments that we usually uncover in our reviews. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and let's start this review. It's gonna be great. Let's go.
Nice.
Let's talk about the Toyota VOXY. As the successor of the Taunus Noah and Letis Noah, the Toyota VOXY changed its driving system to front-wheel drive and added slide doors on both sides of the rear seats. The VOXY employs a sharp, powerful, tightened design with a sharp grille, distinctive headlights, and a rear clear lens. Its torque output was improved dramatically, and the fuel consumption is an average of 14 kilometers per liter. The Toyota VOXY is a highly recommended model for customers looking for a luxurious mid-size van with a minimum budget. It is as attractive as it is functional. The Toyota VOXY is an impressive 7-seater minivan that makes for a fun and comfortable ride every time for larger families. The Toyota VOXY features a 2.0 liter for the XL version. This is a 4-cylinder inline petrol engine. The car has a front-wheel drive powered by a transmission of a CVT gearbox. It is able to produce 104 kilowatts of power or 140 brake horsepower and a torque of 190 Newton meters. The Toyota VOXY weighs in at about 1.5 tons. The Toyota VOXY weighs in at about 1.5 tons and has a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. Mostly what I love about this car is the logo at the center and the headlamps. So the logo is really good and it's huge. It stands out when you're looking at it. The headlamps as well. It's a new design where we have our normal lights down and we have our indicators up. The side profile of this car looks really premium and I like it. If someone slapped some alloy wheels on this car, it would really look better. At the back, the VOXY is also very good looking, with those lights that make it stand out and the word VOXY properly written in the center, and it also looks very big, and the car overall is a very good looking car. The ground clearance of the car is not a lot. It's not a lot, so this car can go off-road, but I wouldn't really recommend taking it off-road without putting some bigger tires on it. We have our controls for the power windows here, same for the mirrors, also right here. I like the view in the driver's seat. It is really spacious and very comfortable. The steering wheel is easy to grab and easily reachable by the hand. We have our media controls using this screen, and also we have our climate control from this region of the center console. We have our driving mode selector, also well positioned just in front of the driver. This is how the page cluster looks, and I think you can agree with me that it looks really nice and premium. Now let's look at the storage in this car. For example, we have storage here, we have storage on my right down here, then we also have some little storage here, and the glove compartment, and just on top of the glove compartment. So overall I would say in the driver's seat the only thing missing is the cup holder, because we don't have this center, the part that usually holds the cup holders, usually has the cup holders. I would show you that we have cup holders in the door bins, and those should be sufficient for both the driver and the passenger on the other end. Usually people keep their glasses here. In this case, you have a mirror, and I think this is very innovative and very nice. I like the fact that this car has a grab handle here for the driver, which means if you're off-roading, it's a perfect one for you. And also the passenger has one. Then that's not all, the passenger also has one right up here. The driver does not have that one because of safety reasons. Some cars have them, some cars don't have them, but this is perfect. As a passenger in the Toyota VOXY, I cannot complain. I have plenty of legroom, as you can see, and I have airbags to keep me safe right there. And the view is really good. I cannot complain at all. Cannot complain. The door at the back of the VOXY is a power door, so we don't really have to do much in pulling it up. In opening it, you just do this and it will open by itself. Once that is done, we can enter. It feels really crammed in here. As far as the legroom goes, it is not the biggest legroom I've ever seen. And then in the middle here, we have this seat that folds and allows people to access the back without folding the chairs that are here in the center. This seat also acts as a cup holder, and you can put some food here. It also acts as an armrest, and if you want someone to sit in the center here, all you have to do is to lift it back like this, and that will be it. This is the part you pull, the string you pull to lower it. So I think it's a very nice touch. It's really spacious. The better part of it is that it also has air conditioning just up here. Air conditioning for the passenger, and you can see that the passenger in the back also has air conditioning. So this is a family car that is perfect for a family of more than 5 people. It would really serve, because it's a 7-seater and it is beautiful. This is how the back looks. There's plenty of storage. If you have a lot of items, they can really fit here. That's not all. We have more storage down here. It's like a bathtub. It looks really good. I like it. But aside from that, we also have air conditioning vents up there, as we can see, for all the rows. You will notice these folded up seats here, and you will wonder how they look down here. So let's try to get them down here and see. So all you have to do is to pull this down like this and ensure that this part down here fits in. Just like that, and voila, we already have a seat that is half made. And once you pull up here like this, the seat will be fully formed. You can do the same with this. And bringing it back up is the tricky bit, because you have to look for this lever down under this chair. So all you have to do is to reach for it like this. You look for it down here, and once you pull it like this, it will fold and release itself. Let's do that again. Let's do it again. It moves really fast, so pay attention. Once you pull the lever, this will fall by itself, and then the seat will lift on its own. So all I have to do is this, and it's done. And that's all you have to do. You can go ahead and also secure it further by putting it in here, putting that in there. So that way you have all the space in the back, and you can really load so many items here. VOXY, VOXY.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay.
I have saved the best part for last. If you want to open the power doors, this is all you have to do. Just click here and the door will open. And then if you want to close it, you press the same button.
Oh my God! Wow!
Beautiful, beautiful. Yo! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the 2008 Toyota VOXY. This is a luxury car and you don't want to miss any part of this video, so watch this video up to the end. Leave a like on this channel, leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our uploads. Let's go.